it's time for us to segue to question of the day. So, question of the day is go to menti.com, menti.com, use the code 2102 4399. That's 2102 4399. Question of the day is Bitcoin is having its best Q1 in 8 years. What do you think about the Q2 for Bitcoin? So, the options are I think both Bitcoin and ALTS will rally. Next option, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but not so bullish on altcoins. Third option, I think Bitcoin will rally and may pause, but I'm bullish on alts. So basically, you think Bitcoin may likely go sideways. Then last option, I'm bearish on Bitcoin in Q2. So those are the four options. So tell us what you think. Go and make your voices heard. Bill and Forrest, kind of maybe do a quick recap again. So looking into Q2, what do you expect for Bitcoin?
Yeah, I can speak to that. So I think obviously from what I just talked about, I'm pretty bullish on it, but I do think we're at a key inflection point. And to Bill's work, I think he's absolutely right where you have to be cautious on altcoins right now. I think being too overextended in altcoins is dangerous. And just because we're at this inflection point, if we hold support on it, we could see Bitcoin and the rest of the market go parabolic. But what happens if we don't hold support? What happens if we break down to 42K and below 42K for Bitcoin? What does that do to altcoins in the short term and the long term? So I'm cautiously bullish. And if we do hold, I do think there's a chance that we could see a parabolic run up like we did back in 2017. But again, emphasis on the caution.
All right. Thank you, Forrest. Bill, what do you think?
All right, we have a lot of new internal tools at Token Metrics. One of them is TA based. It was actually helped our guys build it. This particular indicator went negative on some of the bigger altcoins that I talked about. Now, since I helped build and test this thing, when these signals popped up, I took them seriously. The idea of big altcoins going down is something you have to consider. I saw a comment that says, it sounds like Bill's taking both sides of the fence. Yes and no, right? My answer is the most bullish potential is in Bitcoin. Okay? Altcoins are showing weakness, and you better check your P&L and make sure that, frankly, you're not being a pig. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs or people that don't take profits or get too greedy can get hurt. Now, that's a crass saying, I know. And I know that there are a lot of positive catalysts for Ethereum, say maybe come this summer. But I think Q2 may wind up going to Bitcoin.
All right. Thank you, Bill. I would say I have to agree. I think obviously we're all bullish on crypto long term, but with the levels of where Bitcoin and alts have been, and also looking at what our models on tokenmetrics.com are saying, I think we have to be very, very cautious. We're bullish, but cautious heading into Q2, meaning that as soon as we see, because right now with our models, they're heavily towards stablecoins. So that makes us somewhat cautious. We're not saying go out there and sell everything, but when we see our models shifting into stablecoins, and when we see our new feature that we'll cover on this live stream, we'll have lots of large cap altcoins turn bearish. It basically piques our curiosity and makes us really pay attention. So that being said, I would say I'm also very, very cautious. Okay, all right. So let's see what the audience has to say. Okay, so the audience has voted. The winner is, I think both Bitcoin and alts will rally. So the audience is very, 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 very bullish. So tell us what you think. Do you think the audience is right? Second option, or second winner was, I think Bitcoin will rally, may pause, but I'm bullish on altcoins. And third was, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but not so confident on altcoins. And the bears came in last. So the audience does not want to hear anything about bears right now. So let us know. Is the audience right? Post your answer down below.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.